Hi everyone, my name is Chanel Temple, the global makeup artist for Hourglass Cosmetics. Today I'm going to be teaching you some tips and tricks on how to use our Caution Extreme Lash Mascara. A great trick that I love before putting on mascara is I go in with our 1.5 gel liner just to tightline my top waterline. It's such a tiny little tip and I can get right in between the lashes. This really helps intensify my eyeline. It just makes my lashes look so much more bold and open and awake. I love this trick. You can see just from one eye to the other what a difference it really makes. Now that I've tightlined my eye, I'm gonna go in and apply Caution. A good trick is try not to pump air into the tube. Instead, just give it a little bit of a swirl, and that's all the product you need. So now what I'm doing is I'm going to the very base of my lash and I'm wiggling up. This is allowing me to get the most definition out of my lashes. Now that I've done my top lashes, I'm gonna go in and do the bottom. One of the best things about this brush and formula is that I don't have to double dip. I can just go in and apply to the bottom lashes, and it's the perfect amount. With just one coat, Caution gives 400% more volume. Just look at the difference. The tapered brush of Caution makes it ideal to get even the smallest lashes in the corners of my eye. So I just take it vertically and I can paint each individual lash. If after you've applied your mascara and you kind of take a step back and see that maybe you got a little on your lid or on your lower lash line, a great trick to clean that up, take a little Veil Mineral Primer, a little Q-tip, and you can go directly on, and it just cleans that up without taking off all your other eye makeup. One of the great things about Caution is that the formula is endlessly buildable. So if I decide later in the day I want to add another coat, I just go in and layer on top of my mascara. This will give that added drama without clumping. This mascara is incredible, and I know you guys are gonna love it as much as I do.